If you've heard about Caveman skill in Claude and want to try it yourself, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to add Caveman skill to Claude. And don't worry, the process is pretty simple. First, open Claude and sign into your account. Once you're inside, look for the option that lets you access your skills, projects, or custom instructions. The exact location can depend on the version of Claude you're using. Next, you'll need the Caveman skill files or instructions. Make sure you get them from the correct source. This is important because you don't want to add unknown or modified files to your Claude setup. After you have the Caveman skill, follow the installation instructions that come with it. Usually, this means adding the skill files to the correct Claude skill or project location. If you're given a specific folder or file structure, keep it exactly as provided. Once everything is added, go back to Claude. Start a new conversation and test the skill. You can give Claude a simple prompt related to what Caveman skill is designed to do. Then check the response. If Claude follows the expected instructions, that's a good sign that the skill has been added correctly. If it doesn't work, don't panic. Double-check the files. Check the folder location. Also make sure you're using a Claude version that supports the feature. And that's basically it. Adding Caveman skill to Claude can give you another way to customize how Claude handles certain tasks. Just remember to always review third-party skills before installing them.